Are you curious to see all the fun little goodies they put in my Allure August Beauty Box? Well, keep watching to find out. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to review with you my Allure Beauty Box. So I just did a video recently where I had an Allure Beauty Box and I put it up against my Ipsy Glam Bag and the BoxyCharm box, but it totally wasn't there, and I mentioned that in the video. So I wanted to give this company the spotlight that it deserves, like I do all of the companies anytime I present them on this channel for the first time. Now, this box came in shortly after I got that other box, so it's like crazy that I'm doing this again already. But nonetheless, I wanted to review this box with you guys. But first, I'm going to go ahead and jump into what the company is all about, how you get your own box, all that fun stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and dig into what I got in the box. So without further ado, let's do a quick review of the Allure Beauty Box company. Okay guys, so when you go to the website, it looks like this, and you're going to want to click on that Become a Member button. And once you click that, it's going to take you here, and you can decide which of the two subscriptions they have available works best for you. So there's a monthly option where you're going to pay $15 a month, and you'll receive a new member gift when you sign up for that one. And then they have the yearly option, which is $165 per year. Plus, you will get what's called a mega bundle that has 17 products valued over $264. That's pretty cool. And then they also have the gift option where you could gift a 3-month, 6-month, or a 1-year box subscription. So if you know of anybody who you would like to give a gift to that likes beauty boxes, this would be a great idea. Okay, so let's go over what you can expect to receive in your box each month. So each box, you're going to get 5+ monthly makeup and skincare picks from their editors delivered straight to your doorstep every month. So the value is $70+ for each box. And remember, you're only paying $15 a month. So you're going to be receiving top products selected by Allure editorial experts. They test more than 50,000 products a year. There's always free shipping. You can expect at least 2 full-size products in every box. They have a new member gift that's valued around $15 plus, and you also get a mini mag with tips and exclusive offers. So that pretty much covers everything. Now let's see what I got in my August Allure Beauty Box. Okay guys, so here's my box, and I mentioned in my last video how much I love their packaging. I mean, these are really high quality, good boxes that you can absolutely reuse to put gifts in for Christmas time, birthdays, whatever you're giving somebody a gift for. I definitely think that this is a great box to use, especially obviously if you're giving them makeup. Allure Beauty. It would be a great box to put a gift in. I'm definitely going to be reusing all of the boxes that I get from this company for as long as I have the subscription. This may be one that I cancel. We'll see. But when I first open the box, you get a pamphlet in there, and in the pamphlet, they give you a review that someone has given for each product, as well as the cost and where you can buy the product at. So that's pretty nice. So without further ado, let's jump into all the products that they put in this box. Okay guys, so the first product they put in this box is this. It is a Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. Sounds pretty good, okay? So the benefits of this, the rose oil nourishes and rejuvenates your skin. The pomegranate oil is an antioxidant and it's vitamin packed. And then the rose geranium oil tones and balances the skin. So that sounds really good, right? Let's pop this little bad boy open. Before I forget, it is $24. Okay, I'm not sure if it's for this size or not, but this is 1 fluid ounce. Most likely it is, but you know, you get a little dropper with it. It helps if I show you the dropper. There it is. You get a little dropper with it. We're not going to mess with that right now. I just want to give this a quick smell. Oh, it's got like a thing on it. Okay, great. All right, let's, hopefully I don't fumble this up for you guys. Okay, great. I'm not getting a whole lot of smell. Yeah, I'm not getting a whole lot of smell with this. I'm going to put that little guy back in there because I really don't want it to leak. Oh, I get more of a smell when it's on my skin. That's for sure. Yeah, you definitely get a rose petally kind of smell with it, which isn't bad. I mean, it's a good smell, but yeah, you definitely get a smell with it when I do that. So You use it AM and PM daily. You're going to massage 2 to 3 drops onto cleansed, toned skin. Wasn't this supposed to tone? So I got to tone twice? I don't know. Whatever. For extra hydration, though, you can add 1 or 2 more drops to your moisturizer before applying. So that's how this little guy is used. Let's jump into the next product. Okay, guys, so the next product I stuck in this box is this little guy. So this is a floss, brighten up, highlighter, and illuminator. Okay, that sounds fantastic. Before I forget, it is 20 bucks. Probably for this size. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Okay. It's a sunlit highlighter and illuminator. You know what, guys? I'll be honest with you. I have no idea what this is for. Ooh, wow. Okay. Wow. That's definitely shimmery. So where would I use this? Like, would I use this? I don't know. Guys, not really sure what this is for. If I figure it out, I'll use it if I can do it right. And if not, I will probably give it to my niece. But there's that product. Let's move on. Okay, guys. So the next product they put in this box is this little guy. So this is totally gonna butcher it. Just warning you right now. It's a Sawasu. I'm guessing. Maybe I said it right. I don't know, but it's right there. Sawasu First Care Activating Serum. Can we get more specific? Like, what do you do? This serum improves major signs of aging. Hello! I'm going to lather this all over my body. Do they sell bigger bottles? While boosting your routine. Okay, so you're going to use it after facial wash in the morning and evening. Pump 2 to 3 times onto palm and apply with your fingertips. Okay, let's pop this bad boy open because, I mean, who wants to look like they've aged? Woo, this is little. Wow, this is a little guy. How much is it? Ooh, $84. Okay, I can tell you right now, I am fairly certain the $84 is not for this size. But wow, 84 bucks. But if it actually works, like I said, I mean, I will literally lather this stuff all over my body. Oh my gosh, it's so little I can't open it. All right, we're going to pump some out. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, I look younger already. Look how young my hand looks. It smells good, but I don't know how well it works, guys. I am definitely going to give it a whirl. If it works extremely well, then for 84 bucks, yes, I would buy more if it literally reduces all my signs of aging, because I've yet to find a product that actually works for that. So if this one truly does, I will definitely get more. Let's see what else is in this box. Okay, guys, so the next thing they put in this box is this. It's a bar of soap. But it's not just any soap. This soap claims to be famous. I mean, if I could get an autograph, I would. But, you know, I guess I can't from a soap. Nonetheless, it's the famous black soap. It says it's a sea mud deep cleansing bar. Okie dokie. So they're claiming that it will deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and balance the skin. So it's perfect for blemished skin, oily or stressed out complexions. This bar leaves skin soft, smooth, and radiant. Okay, let's pop it open. You guys know, I mean, I get this stuff to try it out. So we're just going to pop this bad boy open, give it a smell, see what it's all about here. You know what? If I decide that I don't want to use it, it will make a great marker for my DIYs. Ooh, that's a funky smell. Wow. There's a logo on there. Oh, that's a funky smell. I mean, if it works, great. You know, this thing's 38 bucks. Is it for this size? I hope not. I will find out. But, yeah, $38. So, whatever. Let's move on. Okay, guys, so the next thing in this box is this little guy. So this is a Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Botanical Primer. Okay, so what's the benefits of this thing? If you're suffering from dry skin and huge pores left from drying makeup, this natural botanical primer not only minimizes pores and even skin tone, but it also leaves the skin feeling moisturized and dewy looking. Sounds pretty good. You will be left looking radiant, moisturized, and ready for the day ahead. Okay, that sounds good to me. Now this thing is $44. I'm definitely saying it's not for this size. I will definitely figure out what size it is for and let you guys know. But, you know, I don't know. Let's give it a smell like I do everything. Oh, it's sealed, which is good, but it's bad for you guys. Like, I feel like I need to pre-look at stuff to figure this out, but... Oh! Okay. Some of it came out, so why don't we just rub that in and see what we got going on. Okay, it smells okay. I mean, there's not a strong smell to it or anything, but yeah, it smells fine. My hands feel soft, but you know, it's just like a tiny dab that's squeezed out. So here's that product. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, guys, so the next thing that's in this box is this. It's a hydration sensitive gel cream moisturizer. Isn't the last thing a moisturizer? We're getting moisturized and crazy. But this one says it helps to calm the appearance of redness and locks in skin moisture to increase hydration for dewy, healthy looking skin. I guess the idea is to look dewy all the time because literally all the products I get in these things say that you have a dewy look. I don't know. I don't want to look like I'm wet all the time. Doesn't dewy mean wet? You know, I look like I'm not wet all the time. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so let's pop this. Ooh, we got a nice purple little cap here. Awesome. Oh, and we got to do this whole situation again. Oh, no. I don't think I can get a grip on this one, so this is going to be awesome for you guys. I am just struggling to grab it, but I get a little piece more every single time I pull. All else fails, use your teeth. So ladylike. It's okay. All right. So I totally got some lipstick on my thumb here. This is amazing. All right, let's rub this guy in. It smells pretty good. Yeah, it smells pretty good. So, I mean, not a strong smell or anything, but yeah, that's this little guy. How much is it? I don't know. I forgot to like look. So we're going to look while I'm like talking to you guys really quick here. How much is this guy? $42. $42. Guaranteed it's not for this size. I don't know what size. I always do my research after I film these videos because it's an unboxing. So I'm kind of unboxing it with you. So I don't know what's in here to do the research ahead of time. But here you go. That's this one. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, guys. So the last thing they put in this box was this. So it's a mask. I'm guessing. Just saying. But I gotta say, this packaging is super stellar. I mean, if I was going down the aisle and I saw this, I would have to see what it was. This is great packaging. Absolutely love it. So it's a brightening, lift up, perfect fit mask. Okay. The benefits. What are the benefits? Boop-a-doop-boo. The brilliant layering system gives the skin a brighter tone. And the Vita 3 complex of this brightening mask provides the skin with clear, shining moisture. Okay, that sounds pretty awesome to me. This bad boy is $3 for just one. I don't know if you can buy them in packs of more than one. I will, again, will do my research and I will let you know that if that's a possibility. So that was the last thing that they stuck in this box. Let's jump into final thoughts and wrap this video up. Okay, guys, so that was a great box. It really was. I mean, there's a lot of really nice skincare products in the box, but I just don't find myself wanting to keep doing this particular subscription because I feel like I get very similar things in my other boxes. And in addition to those things, I'm also getting the makeup part, which I really like. The palettes, the blushes, lipsticks, all that other fun stuff. So I'd rather have the whole thing than just skincare. That's just my personal opinion, but I definitely feel that their box is great. It's 100% worth the cost. I just don't think that this is what I'm going to continue to do. We'll see. I'll get a few more boxes and we'll see if I want to continue to do this one, but this one is definitely on my list as possibly not continuing. Just saying. But overall, it's definitely a great box. I think that it's 100% worth the money. So if you haven't tried it, pop over to their site, give it a try, especially if you love getting skincare products. So I hope that you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! So I'm going to go ahead and go into a brief description of what the company is about and the whole... That distracted me. Okay. But it totally wasn't fair, and it was completely... What? Completely what? Try it again. So it just was not a fair review. So I decided, how many times am I going to say so? Why do I always say so? Is that just part of my channel? Is that what I'm just going to do now? I'm going to get a shirt that says so. Try it again. And it gives you a cost of the products as well as... I have to do this again. I'm just all over the place. But it also leaves skin feeling moisturized and dewy looking. Okay, down for that. Oh, Noah. Okay, guys, so we're going to wrap up this box with this very last thing in there. I don't like how I did that. What do you claim you do? The brilliant layering system gives the skin a brighter tone. A brighter tone. I can't talk, so I'm going to do it again. But it is a brightening, lift up, perfect fit eye mask. Why did I say it's an eye mask? It's just a mask. There's no eye to it. Do it again.